Welcome friends. Today we are talking about integrated Excel to function as a smart test. File will be used by the student and the instructor. Student will log in without any passcodes, while instructor can log in using unique passcode. Now, we logged in as a student. You can move between test pages easily by clicking on the page name. Also, you can choose the right answer by simply clicking on it. In addition, you can write your detailed answer in the specific space. Now, we save our work and close the program. Then we send the file to the instructor. In this moment we act like the instructor. We open the file. Type our passcode. Press Start. Student answers will appear. But, you can notice that score now is visible. An instructor do not even need to calculate score. Score is automatically calculated according to the system. To show how that works, we can uncheck or check an answer. And we will notice its effect on the scoring calculations. This is done by the integration between Excel workbooks and Visual Basic programming codes in the back end. Thank you for watching. For business orders you can contact us on our Upwork account. Link in the comments. See ya my friends.